Well, believe it or not, it's been one whole year since I left Singapore and moved to Shanghai. Life has been very happening, to say the very least. And now, as I hit the 1 year mark, I'm also stepping into a few new chapters. First thing, I am moving out. Because as much as I love this cozy little place, which I put a lot of effort into making it feel like home, it's starting to feel a little bit too small. So, come along with me as I settle into my new place here in Shanghai.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
Don't mean to turn it upside down. I really wanna hear you out.
Hi guys, I am just a little bit exhausted. No kidding, I'm so tired. I am here and I'm overwhelmed because, as you can see, my apartment is literally a total mess at the moment. Like, my helper is coming in like 1.5 hours, so I really need to finish packing as soon as possible. But I didn't realize there's so much stuff in my place, even though it's just a 35 square meter tiny little space. But I don't know how I accumulated so much stuff, and I'm just doing all these by myself because someone is having so much fun in Korea, and I'm just here suffering. I don't know, I am I'm literally dying. Well, I guess he did help me last night.
Yeah.
Gotta give him credit for that, but still. Oh my gosh, that's heavy. Oh my god.
A few moments later.
Oh, guys, look at this. I'm literally surrounded by like just all my random stuff. And also, I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but yes, I went for a haircut because I just got a message from the helper a couple of hours ago saying that they're gonna be late. And then I was just like, yeah, I needed a break. So I'm just gonna, really trying to finish packing and wait for the helper to come.
这个是不用搬的，这个这种搬是他自己的。这是一个，
这一个桌子
这是一个，
啊，这个挺大的。
这个挺大的。
Okay, our minivan is here. Let's see if we can fit everything in. I mean, it looks pretty spacious though. Yeah, so that cabinet is literally the biggest furniture piece that I have. So once we got that down, I would say biggest challenge tackled. Wow, okay. Round 1 complete. We are finally hitting the road now, and as you can see, I'm just totally drenched in sweat, and the trunk area is like entirely full. But at least we managed to get like 90% of all our stuff inside the car, so I don't have to do a few more runs. Well, I mean, technically I still have to do one more run, but that should be manageable.
I know sometimes life can be tough, and you feel like you just had enough. When you're thinking everything is gone wrong, Just remember that I'm here to cheer you on.
I mean, look at all my stuff. Like, the space is already kind of full, no? Oh my gosh, you guys. Whew. I guess we are kind of settled in. Like at least we managed to move all the stuff, or like 90% of the stuff here. I'm not gonna do the unboxing today. Like I don't have any energy left. So let's call it a day. See you guys tomorrow. So I got the chicken breakfast bagel plus scrambled eggs. Looks super yummy. And a cup of iced black tea. Okay, first impression of this place. The neighborhood is so quiet. Like even now during the day, you don't hear much noise from outside, and the ambience inside the room is so on point with warm, soft lights plus a comfy mattress. Well, I mean, I could sleep the whole day, but I'm not going to do so because obviously I need to unpack. I'm not going to finish all the work though because he's coming back today, and I kind of want him to do, you know, at least some work. But let me do laundry. Also, as I was walking, I just realized this is crazy, bro. Happy birthday. Look at me, please. How do you feel?
Very good.
Okay.
Everyone is perfect. Perfect.
Oh my gosh, guys, look at this.
Oh, 这上面是什么？这上面是这个什么桃胶吗？
Oh, so cute.
可以把这个样子再照。
Wait, isn't it supposed to be the other way around? Like,
No, it's supposed to be only this one. I'm just fired.
许愿。
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to babe. Happy birthday to you. Ooh.
I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to